In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the country of residence in Agoda. It's important to clarify right at the beginning that Agoda does not offer a direct option to change your country of residence in the app. However, what you can do is adjust all the features that are influenced by your location or country of residence. Let me walk you through each of these steps. First, if you notice that the hotels recommended to you are not from your local area, but rather from other regions, you can correct this easily. Open your Agoda app and tap on the Hotels option. Then, perform a one-time search for your own city or country. You don't need to book anything. Just running the search will help the system recognize your area. Once you return to your profile, you will notice that the recommendations will now be tailored to your searched location, which essentially acts as your residence area. Next, let's address the currency. From your app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Scroll down a little until you see the option called Price Display. Tap on it, and from here you can change the currency to match your local one, ensuring that all prices are displayed in the format you prefer. You can also change system measurements, for example from kilometers to miles, or adjust the language settings if needed. The final element linked to your country of residence is your phone number. This cannot be changed from the app itself, so you'll need to use a browser. Open any browser and type in agoda.com. Once on the website, log into your account if required. Tap on the three-line menu icon at the top right-hand corner and scroll down until you find the My Profile section. Here you will see your phone number. Tap on Add or Edit in front of it, then select your country region and enter your phone number. Once saved, this number will be automatically added to your future bookings. As for payment methods, Agoda provides the same set of options to all users, and these do not change based on your residence. By adjusting these settings, you can essentially align your account with your current location.